Hey guys, Haley here. Welcome back to my channel. I am back home in Los Angeles and I'm pretty bored. I'm like not gonna lie. I hope everybody's doing well. This is gonna be a good year. I feel it. I said that last year though. I looked on I think it was on either Instagram or Facebook last year for 2020 January. I was like 2020 smells like blessings and success. And I was like, little did I know. But no, there has been a lot of blessings and success. So I was right on that. Just a lot of chaos as well. But I'm hoping things get better and everybody is safe and happy and just unity, everybody get along better. Also in 2020, I put out 20 new singles, new music. Go check it out on any music streaming platform. Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, SoundCloud, it's everywhere, or on my Instagram. But yeah, I've been super inspired this year and had a lot to say. And I have been having a lot of fun in my little home studio and even traveling. I take my mic and my interface with me and record. So yeah, I've been inspired by many experiences, past, present, future, and yeah, I like what I made, so I hope you guys like my songs, but I unintentionally put out 20 songs in 2020, which was kind of weird. When I went back, I was like, oh, whoa, I actually put out exactly 20 songs, which was kind of cool and lined up interesting. But yeah, go check them out, and I'll play some of them probably in this video if it matches well. But yeah, I want you guys to come along with me for just my day. And I'm about to head to this dope gardening store called Sago, and they have really cool stuff and good plants. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Also, I did I'm not super into it, but I have this tarot card deck. Sometimes I like pulling a card just to see sometimes it's motivational or it just makes you think, and I like it. But I don't live my whole life by tarot cards or anything like that, but it's fun. And I did for New Year's, I did beginning, middle, end of the coming year. It was interesting what I got. Sometimes it relates, sometimes you're I have no idea, this means nothing to me. So it could be anything, whatever you feel. But I wanted to pull a card and just see what it says on camera for today, or let's do just for all of 2021. I've seen a lot of people do that for 2021. So I just split the deck and I think that's a good one. Actually, the second one here seems like the one. So it says, the High Priestess. And I have no idea what this means, so I'm gonna look it up in the book because I have no clue what the High Priestess means, but we're gonna look it up. The High Priestess. The High Priestess sits in stillness. From there, she's able to access realms others pass by without noticing. The vast world of intuition, dreams, and mystery. She uses silence and non-action to harness this power. Sometimes, this card appears to remind you to listen more closely to the voice within. Other times, it's a sign to look past the obvious, to find what's being kept secret or hidden within a given situation. Acknowledge the shadows. I like that. I've been having some wild dreams. I feel like somebody gives me acid before I go to sleep every night. I've never taken acid, but I feel I'm did someone give me psychedelics every night before I sleep? I've been telling my parents and my friends dude, I've been having some wild, vivid dreams. I feel a lot of people have been asking me are you okay? Is everything all right? I just feel a lot more mellow and relaxed, and I'm a talker. I like to talk. I love high energy conversations, laughing. And recently I've just been, I think it was somebody that I was around a lot that he really influenced me, and I was talking. I was so excited about all these things, and he was like, Haley, you don't have to talk all the time. We could just sit here and be quiet and it's chill. And I was like, bro, we can, huh? And I don't know, just having this person influence me, I feel it was a very good influence on me, and I've been super mellow and just listening, and there's not always a need to respond, and you can just think about it and keep your thoughts to yourself. Like, I love socializing and talking to people, but I understand the stillness, and I'm learning to just like, I've been trying every day to just like go sit in the sun, and it was so hard for me. I'm trying to do like, meditation is so hard for me. Like, I sit there and I'm like, okay, why am I just sitting here? It's hard for me. And like, I'll go in my backyard, and I like just sitting out in my garden. I don't need to have music on. I don't need to be listening to anything. I just listen to the freaking wind and the birds, and just sit there and stare off like an old woman into nothingness.
Oh, Courage, isn't it grand to feed the birds?
It's hard for me, and I've been practicing trying to chill out, give myself a break. Like, I don't always have to have like a million projects I'm working on. I can just give myself a break and just learn to stop, smell the roses. I don't always have to be like motivated doing something. Like, it's just not good for you. And I've been feeling very relaxed, and gardening definitely helps with that. I like being out in nature, and yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Just get a few things done and try to be as peaceful as possible. I hope everybody's doing well. 2021, it's gonna be a better year, and yeah, let's just chill today. Let's go. Okay, so I guess Sago, the nursery, is closed today, which is weird. It's a Friday, so I don't know why it's closed, but I'm going to reroute to go to Home Depot and get some plants, and I need some soil as well. So yeah, a little reroute to a different location. Dang, I'm so bummed. Sago is such a dope nursery. I wish they were open, but I don't know, they're closed.
You said NorCal, Kettle One, double shot, hit the bed. Electric eyes, campfire, alone time. Tie-dye jeans, fine, big stunner, Benji on the side. Your room, a mind, drama-free side chick. I'm a science chick, PG&E, farm to table, pick me up. 30 days wasn't just quite enough. SD, we're getting roomy. Spend my day on the roof, son. Spend my whole day all alone, son. He wanted solar fun, ruby red, everything that he said. Ruby red, hit the bed. Ruby red. You make me wanna fly to Arizona, baby. You make me, yeah, you make me wanna tell you all my problems, baby. Yeah, you make me wanna fly to Arizona, babe.
So I got a wax seal making kit on Amazon and it's super duper cool. And for all of my like holiday cards and thank you letters I sent out for the holidays this year, I put my like wax seal stamp on it with an H for my name. So it actually takes a lot more practice to get it like perfect, and my seal is like a little off, so I have to like twist it. I could probably get like a wrench and like twist it even tighter, try to make it perfect. But I'm gonna show you some of my wax seals that I've been doing because it's really fun, and I want to figure out some way to like make jewelry, or like I don't know what else I can do with it other than just like put the stamp on letters, but it's super cool. So I'm gonna show you guys that, which is a little art project I've been doing.
Bless your heart and bless mine too. Bless your heart, light up, let's depart. Puff, 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 pass the grass, not to me. Haven't done that since I was 17, don't worry, boo. Let the sky worry about being blue. It's the moon, lunar phases, what's the frequency? Basic human decency. What's the vibe? What it ought to be. Honey won the lottery, autonomy, monstrosity. Audibly opposite frequencies, self-proclaimed God prodigy. Boy, please, boy, please. Love all, go green. Mother Earth, go plant a tree. Go plant a tree for me. it for my sake. Earthquakes, headaches, and heartaches. Babe, I'll never break like clockwork, you'll never stop. Another heartache on the dot. You could break my heart, break my heart. For the sake of smart, I'ma take my headache and walk. I'ma use this heartache as art. I'ma use my heartache as art. Yeah. Yeah. Practical magic, it's actually tragic. Mean what you say, you lost it, you had it. Wreck-It Ralph, yeah, you smashed it. Heart on a platter, you lost grasp of it. Losing attachment. Meet another girl, promise her the world. I'ma be around the world, I'ma be a business girl. I can see it cause I try, I can see you on the slide. Boy, I'm a certified secret spy. I can see it in your eyes, you love secrets, you love lies. No more cries, I analyze. Mother Earth, it's a lie. Breaking ties, normalized, ego oversized. You said you did it for my sake. Earthquakes, headaches, and heartaches. Babe, I'll never break like clockwork, you'll never stop. Another heartache on the dot. You could break my heart, break my heart. For the sake of smart, I'ma take my headache and walk. I'ma use this heartache as art, heartache as art. Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. Because this is taking a lot of tries. Well, I'm gonna just talk to the GoPro. So, I finally got it to work, and I had some issues with it working. I made a couple and they didn't work so well, and I was like, what is going on? But I was like, okay, it's like Jello, you have to boil it. I was getting super hot water, but it wasn't boiling. So that's the key. You gotta get boiling water. So this is, and I made it mad thick. Like, I definitely didn't need this much. And yeah, it's super thick right now, but I'm just happy it worked. But yeah, it's a citrus mask, vitamin C, orange juice, lemons. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. Oh, it smells. Ew. Yeah. Yeah, it works. I definitely, okay, like masks I've used. Oh my, yeah, it's just so thick. I made a really thick mask. I'm like, it is so, like, if it was a thin mask, but I was like, I didn't know how thick I had to make it. So I made it it's ripping and shit. But yeah, you can see how thick it is. I filled the tray super thick. Because I was like, I don't know how thick I have to make it. Feels good on my lips though. Still, it's wet. It's nice. It's moisturizing. It's definitely citrusy. I smell that orangey lemon. I'm like, shit's just ripping up. Ah, monster. Okay, it was my first try. But yeah, I see the thickness. Like, it should be like paper thin. And I just got frustrated. I was like, I'm gonna make this, like, I got frustrated and I was just like, I'm gonna make it so gelatin. It can't not congeal. Super hot water, but it wasn't boiling water. The second I boiled it, this turned into a mask immediately. So that was the problem. That was the issue. This is so trippy. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today and hanging out with me. And come back again soon so we can hang out some more. All right, guys. Have a good night. Bye.